Hi everyone, this is me Sarhadin Mashraki from TSSA and today we have a student from English Language Department. So what's your good name?
My name is Manu.
So Mahanur, how are you today?
I'm fine. And what about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. So Mahanur, how long have you been learning English in TSSA?
I have been learning English in TCSA for a few months.
Okay, so today we are going to talk about this podcast is all about English language. So in your opinion, in your views, what is English language?
In my views, English is an international language which is spoken all over the world. It is a worldwide and global language which is spoken everywhere.
Okay, that's good. But the problem is that nowadays, most of the people they want to learn English. They have intention to learn English, but they are unable to learn English. What's the reason, in your opinion?
In my opinion, they have intention to learn English but they have failed because they learn English but they don't speak English with their friends, with their classmates, but because they don't do this thing in practical life and they are intention but they are busy in their
Okay.
jobs and etc.
Yeah, these are the reasons as well with some people, and why it has become so important in our society.
As a matter of fact, it become our compulsion because nowadays everything is in English. Our syllabus is in English. Online apps, jobs is also in English.
Yes, we deal business in English. We our syllabus, our lectures, all our and digital works is also in English. Of course, obviously, it has become our compulsion. Okay, Mahnur, if newcomers like English learners, students come and they want to learn English, they have intention to learn English. So, what will you suggest them? What should they do to be a fluent English speaker?
I advise them to memorize vocabulary because if you memorize vocabulary, so you have new ideas to speak. You should speak English with your friends and you
Okay.
ask questions from your teacher because if you able to ask question, you are automatically able to get
Yeah, that's the point. If you're able to ask questions, so you can all easily answer as well. Okay, so Mahnur, one more question. How did you learn English?
I used to memorize vocabulary. I used to make sentences. I work on my vocabulary and grammar. Sir Harris make us to do speaking activity in front of the class.
Okay. So is Sir Haris a polite teacher or a strict teacher?
He is polite and humble teacher.
Okay, that's